Hey guys, it's Matt here from Appliance Testing Supplies, here to show you an unboxing of the Metrel DeltaPAT Godex Complete Kit. So the system itself is supplied in a hard case with a laser cut foam insert, as you can see here. It allows the printer, tester, battery and accessories to slot in there perfectly. So first thing you need to know about this machine or this setup, all the instructions and manuals are hidden behind the foam insert in the lid. So you can see the calibration certificate, software, manuals and the like. Okay, so let's have a look at the tester itself. So the Metrel DeltaPAT that's supplied with the kit is one of the most advanced testers on the market. It is battery operated, has Bluetooth, can test leads and RCDs and really simple to use. The Bluetooth connectivity of this machine will allow you to connect to the printer as well as the Android device if you decide to get one of those machines too. The Metrel DeltaPAT is supplied with 2 IEC leads. Now this is for testing extension leads as well as powering up your tester. You've got your earth return lead along with a crocodile clip and a probe. And there's a download lead here to download the information from the tester to the PC. Next up, we have the printer. So this is one of the Godex printers that are on the market. It's relatively new. It is a Bluetooth operated printer, so it will connect wirelessly to your tablet and your machine. It is also a thermal transfer printer, which means it uses an ink or a resin that creates an image onto the tag, which makes the tag last a lot longer and they're not susceptible to temperature or sunlight. The printer itself is provided as well with a battery. Now this battery will run your printer without a problem, making the whole system totally portable. There is a battery lead that goes into the battery, and also mains power is backup just in case you run out of juice. The battery itself is also provided with a regulator and an AC charger. So just ensure that you use the regulator when you're charging the battery, otherwise you won't get any charge into the battery itself. All in all, this system is a complete package, enabling you to test and tag wherever you like. Now, we do offer lifetime support, so if you have any questions when you're in the field, give us a call, we're happy to help.